Hello there everyone and welcome to Miami Cooking. I'm Azita and today we're going to be making some malanga fritters. We're going to be turning these malangas into some delicious fritters. But before we do that, go ahead and click that subscribe button. In order to make this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients. The malanga is a root vegetable, popular in the Caribbean, Latin America, Africa, Southeast Asia, the Pacific Islands, and all the way over in New Zealand. Now in Miami, malanga fritters are a popular appetizer, often served at seafood restaurants. First, you want to completely peel the malanga with your vegetable peeler. Make sure to get that entire outer layer completely off. Next, we're going to grate the malanga, and we're going to grate it till we have absolutely nothing left. Now if you take a look at the consistency here, it sort of looks like grated mozzarella cheese. This is the last step before cooking. So you're going to add your malanga, 1 egg, the already pressed garlic, your freshly chopped parsley, and the salt and pepper. Now you're going to get your spatula and you're going to mix these ingredients. We're trying to get this all even to get a consistent mixture. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put some oil on the pan. I choose to use olive oil because I love olive oil. So you're going to fill this up with a thin layer like this. Now I'm just waiting for this oil to start bubbling, and what I'm using is a tablespoon to measure out the size of the fritter that I'm going to be laying on here. I'm going to slide it with my finger onto the oil slowly and very gentle. Now I can hear it sizzling. And we're going to keep doing that until we fill the entire pan. Okay, here's another one. You want to leave about 1 inch of space between these. Now you want to be careful as you're flipping these. You don't want to do it too fast because some oil can splash onto you. So I recommend using a spatula and a spoon to help you do the flipping motion. Now take a look at these. They look so golden brown and delicious. Ready to eat. Alrighty, now for the taste test. Now personally, I love these with a little bit of lime on top. Delicious. Thank you for stopping by. Now be sure to click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have some recipes you would like to see, please leave a comment below.